Hey everybody, we are in Smyrna, Georgia at the host hotel for the ACME Southern Nationals. Just got here and we're gonna go inside and see if we recognize anybody. I hear a helicopter. All right, there's Miss Heather, my invisible daughter Ellie, my choice invisible, and Ruthie. Look at all these guys. They're all here. They recognized Heather. They know who she is.
You like your collectibles?
Uh-huh.
The old stuff?
Yeah.
I've got one in the pilot chute.
Okay,
I brought with me.
let's check it out.
You might want to look at.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's do it.
That's my first priority right now.
All right, let's see if we recognize anybody in here. Probably not. Probably not. Yeah. Don't know any of these people. Don't know anybody. How you doing? What's happening, Skip?
Matthew.
Oh, Tom.
What's up, buddy?
Good, good. How y'all doing?
Brad.
What's happening?
How you doing,
Good
buddy?
to see you again, man. You got warm hands. Hey, fellas. How are y'all?
I got it.
Doing good, doing good. I'm great. Doing great.
I'm doing better than I deserve.
No.
Hey Matthew, how you doing?
Tim Brown.
See ya.
And Mr. Doritos himself, Mr. Mark Batson. How are you? Hey, good to see you again.
Good to see you again.
Doing good, doing good. How was the trip? How was the traffic?
No.
He said he's not going to cuss on
When we
camera.
got to Atlanta, it was 11 miles. It took us an hour and 3 minutes.
Oh, good, good, good. Well,
11 miles.
that's about like ours. Yeah, it's about like ours. There's Dennis Smith. Dennis Smith. Wow, he drove all the way from Virginia to come see me. Wow.
That's right, man. How you doing?
This is my wife Heather.
Nice to meet you. I've
Nice to
seen
meet
your
you.
videos. Yeah.
And this is my daughter, my daughter Ruthie over there. And
Nice to meet you.
I actually have another daughter named Ellie.
Well, that's cool.
Very camera shy, see?
I see that.
So I feel a presence. Oh no. Look at him. He's got a fancy microphone and everything.
Battery and everything.
Man, look at him. He's
Oh, man.
Seriously, I didn't do it.
the guy in the blue shirt.
In the contest. No problem.
That's a really big blue shirt you got on there. Back up, look. I can't get you all in frame.
I'm too short.
Are you giving out skeletons?
Not me.
Do you have a permit for that?
I do. And a license.
A license to give out skeletons. This is Rick Zink, by the way, if you didn't know Papa Z. He's here. All right, so when you come here to the host hotel, because the night before they have the pre-registration, you can come here and register your builds. You come in here. All right, so you go back here, and what they do, they have this second room set up, and I don't know if they'll meet in this. I don't know if they'll be here in this hotel forever, but anyway, you go back here, and all back here is the registration. So they'll give you, if you already online entered, then they will have it all. When I went back there, they just handed me my packets. And so anyway, they give you packets. If you have to pay, you can get your raffle tickets and all this stuff. And there's Clay Kent. Anyway, but it's easy. There's nothing to it. I'm actually intimidated when I come to things like this. I feel like I'm in the airport and I have to take all my shoes off and my belt and all this stuff, and you feel like you're rushed. But if you do it online like I did, there's no rushing to it. So you just, you already have it all done, and it makes it a lot simpler. So yeah, that's what we're here for, and then you get to talk to all your buddies. So here in room 423, there's a bunch of cool model kits. So Heather and the girls have taken off for a little bit. I'm going to come in here and check this out. Let's see. Uh-oh, we got action in here. Oh, look at the bed all laid out. This was invitation only to come see this.
Yeah, some of us are special enough.
Show you some of these. You wouldn't think, usually on a hotel bed, people sleep on them, but not on ACME weekend. So we have all these classic. These are all original.
Yeah,
These are all, I mean, these are all complete.
this is all my original stuff that I've had from day one.
From when they were new. Wow. So where's the old Johan kits? These right here.
All right, what's the outfit? It's amazing. All his.
So here's a Johan kit here. This has got to be one of the, I've never even seen that, the way the logos, look at this. 63 It's a Rambler American convertible, and this build 3 ways. I've never even seen one like this. There's 2 of those. No, this was the American Rambler. It's got the hard top.
I got a hard top and a convertible.
Wow, look at this Marlin.
Now the Marlin, I don't know, what's the other guy down? Somebody was telling me that
There's that 60 Corvette they repopped. That's the original right there. Oh my God.
This one apparently does it.
no.
And this is before the show.
Look at those. Those things are beautiful.
That is something.
Yeah.
That was a plastic still, man.
Yeah, still seals.
It's kind of light. You leave them like that. Never open them.
You don't do
No
that.
fun at all.
You don't do that.
I'm no fun at all.
Yeah, you open all yours.
Here's the old
Which is the way it
AMT.
should be. Well, you don't get them, don't.
Now, the more you buy the cheaper you
A
get.
Buick.
Oh yeah. I've already. I got all
I remember when that car was new. Not the model, but the
the
car.
great kids. Alvis, what do you want for
This is
didn't work.
That's gonna be pretty pricey.
I'm just asking.
this is SMP right
I'd
here.
like to get 140.
You said
for it,
150 for
but
that,
you don't
right?
find, you just don't find.
SMP 61.
The box is crap, but everything.
Look at that.
And I tell you what, I have 2 sets.
And then here's
of
the same
detail. I will
kit.
send you a
It's
set
an
of
AMT.
detail.
So SMP.
yeah.
Well, what's the deal with that? Who knows the history on the SMP to AMT?
Huh?
Why did they go from SMP to AMT, or was SMP first and then they changed?
SMP was for.
SMP was first because this is the same kit, but it's with the SMP and then AMT. I don't. There's another
Yeah, that's a station wagon.
Max's models. Yeah, Max's. Yeah, I've watched it, but it's been a really long time. There's another SMP. Those are 2. The same kit.
My father-in-law, he had a 61 Imperial. He had a 54 Imperial, and they both had Hemis in them.
Oh yeah.
That's why I married his daughter.
So what was it? The 330.
331 on one of them. and-
Yeah. Distributor in the rear.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's in great shape.
65 Chevelle
Yeah,
station.
really
wagon.
great shape. Look at that. You got the raised roof there.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
Man,
Everything looks there.
you need to just put these in a glass display case somewhere.
That one's a box is a little rough.
And how round 2 is reissuing all this original box art.
Huh.
That stuff is
Yeah.
so cool. This stowboat, yeah.
But I'll work with y'all guys. I am looking for the Palmer. The Palmer Studebaker.
So what this feels like is I'm in a room with a bunch of mob bosses, and they got some like real good drugs, and they're like, "You want to see what we got here, man? Look at here."
Let go of it.
I mean, look at this. They're on the bed. They're all lined up, stacked up on the bed. These are amazing. I wanted to really quick look at this one.
You can look at anything you want.
These Ramblers here by
Look
Johan.
at more. You can take it home.
Yeah, he says I can take all these
All you
home
want.
for a price. But these are amazing little model kits. That is something.
You just don't.
else.
These ain't. To me, these aren't. I don't particularly care for them, but you just don't see them.
Yeah.
You find one factory seal.
What year are we looking at with those?
76, 77.
So mid 70s. Does it have a barcode on it?
No.
Okay, so it's probably like pre 76 or something.
That was 2007 on this one.
Okay, so that's a
This one-
repop.
yeah, this one's
yeah,
original.
Right.
That one's original.
Yeah, this is amazing. I mean, to come to the host hotel and then you get to see stuff like this. This is stuff that you don't see every day. You maybe never will see.
You don't find this everywhere.
You know, I built that kit, but it was the repop, and I don't know if that. No, that's
It's
the
a repop,
Mattel.
but this
Well,
is-
but that one is probably back.
See, this is 67.
Yeah, because it's got Mattel on there. So
Now this right here, even though the box is bad,
yeah,
you don't find these cars.
71 Cyclone spoiler by MPC.
I've got two of them. One of the boxes was perfect, and he had 2 of them,
Yeah.
and I bought them both for the guy. And I bought the decals, the aftermarket, and I've got the aftermarket decals.
He's gonna have these all set up on the table, and it's a sad thing to say, but whenever you see this video, these things will probably have new homes. But anyway, these will be up on the table at ACME, and I can't wait to see these go. And he needs the money, and they're gonna bring it. I promise. But he's also got a truck in here that I want to take a quick look at and see. It was on the table at ACME last year. And I'm going to take some pictures of this truck, and it'll be, I'll have close-up pictures. But this, I can hear my phone beeping. That would be Heather wondering where I'm at. But I'm going to take a peek at this truck. This was this is a 10th scale. 10th scale, started life as a Midnight Pumpkin by Tamiya, the body did, and then he has custom built pretty much everything else. So it's 1/10 scale. 50, what's the year? 50,
buried, still packed
50,
away.
this is 53, right?
55.
55.
House is starting to look like his. I got miles.
So this is, if you see it under the bottom, he made it for the most part. And look at those exhaust pipes, those glass backs, boy, that's all metal. This is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, it went to an IPMS show, and they nailed me. My frame was too shiny.
Said the frame was too shiny, so they docked him points for that. I think it's cool. It's like a real contrast because the body is more of a flat, and then the frame was nice and shiny. Even has airbag suspension on the back. Things you don't get to see it upside down at the shows. So this is a real sneak peek here. Too cool.
I will put my glasses on.
Well, the best way to end a night is to go get you a nice good steak with your friends. Oh, and your wife. But I brought along this guy, Mr. Hobby Dude 007 and Mrs. Hobby Dude 007. Made it with this. We're at Longhorn Steakhouse, and I found this guy and his wife on the side of the road. I'm just joking. This is Chris Callan and his wife April, and they're here. They're my good friends from Kentucky, almost Indiana, but not quite. But we are going to have something to eat, and then we're going to go have a good night's rest and go to a model show tomorrow, and it's going to be a lot of fun. He brought, how many did you bring? 3. He brought 2, and they'll probably end up both being on the stage at the end of this thing. He's no fun. He steals the show. And I brought like 13, and I'll spend most of the day just setting up. But anyway, all right, guys, take care and do all those things in the description that I usually tell you to do, but I'm not going to do it because I'm in Longhorn Steakhouse right now. We'll see you tomorrow, but not really. I'll be there tomorrow, and I'll see you the next time you see my videos. See you. Bye. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.